In the realm of household items, we often overlook the myriad of unconventional uses that can breathe new life into the mundane. From the kitchen to the bathroom, and even the garage, everyday objects can serve purposes beyond their intended design. Here's a narrative that explores 20 such items, each revealing its hidden potential. First, consider the humble rubber band. Typically relegated to the office for bundling documents, it can also serve as a makeshift grip for opening stubborn jar lids. Simply wrap a rubber band around the lid, and the added friction can make it easier to twist off. Next, the coffee filter, an item synonymous with brewing morning caffeine, can double as a makeshift lens cleaner. When you find yourself in need of a quick fix for smudged glasses or camera lenses, a coffee filter can polish them to a shine without leaving lint behind. Moving on to the classic paperclip, often dismissed as a mere stationary item. It can be transformed into a SIM card ejector tool for smartphones. In a pinch, a paperclip can be straightened out and used to pop the SIM card tray open, saving you a trip to the store for a specialized tool. The versatile baking soda, a staple in many kitchens, is not just for baking. It can also act as a deodorizer for your refrigerator. Simply place an open box in the back of the fridge to neutralize unwanted odors, ensuring your food stays fresh and inviting. Next, we have the trusty old toothbrush. Beyond its primary function of cleaning teeth, it can be employed to scrub hard-to-reach areas, such as the grout between tiles or the intricate parts of a blender. Its bristles are perfect for tackling grime that other cleaning tools might miss. Aluminum foil is another household staple that offers unexpected applications. Instead of just wrapping leftovers, it can be used to improve Wi-Fi signals. By shaping a piece of foil into a reflector and positioning it behind your router, you can direct the signal where you need it most, enhancing connectivity in your home. Then there's the common lemon. While it's often used for cooking or as a refreshing drink, its acidic properties make it an excellent natural cleaner. A mixture of lemon juice and vinegar can effectively cut through grease and grime, providing an eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemicals. The old newspaper, often tossed aside, can be repurposed as a window cleaner. When crumpled and used with a vinegar solution, newspaper leaves glass surfaces streak-free and sparkling, proving that recycling can also enhance your home's cleanliness. Consider the ice cube tray, usually confined to the freezer. These trays can be utilized for portioning out herbs in olive oil. Simply fill the compartments with chopped herbs and cover them with oil, then freeze. You'll have ready-to-use flavor boosters for cooking at your fingertips. A simple shoelace can do more than just keep your shoes secure. It can be transformed into a temporary zipper pull for broken zippers. By threading a shoelace through the zipper slider, you can create a functional handle until you can replace the zipper completely. The humble sponge, typically used for washing dishes, can also serve as a seed starter. Cut a sponge into small pieces, soak it in water, and plant seeds within it. The sponge retains moisture, providing an ideal environment for germination. Next, consider the common kitchen towel. Beyond drying dishes, it can be used as a makeshift pot holder when you need to remove a hot dish from the oven but can't find your mitts. A folded kitchen towel can provide the necessary protection against heat. The simple coffee mug can be more than a vessel for your morning brew. It can also serve as a measuring cup. Many mugs have graduated markings, allowing you to use them for measuring liquids when you don't have a proper measuring cup on hand. A shower curtain can serve purposes beyond keeping water in the tub. When you need a quick and easy drop cloth for painting or crafting, an old shower curtain can protect your floors from spills and splatters. The standard kitchen knife is an essential tool, but it can also be used for more than cutting food. It can serve as a makeshift screwdriver. In situations where you can't find your tools, the tip of a sturdy knife can often fit into the head of a screw, allowing you to tighten or loosen it as needed. Consider the cardboard box, which often ends up in recycling. It can be repurposed as a storage solution for organizing cables and chargers. By cutting the box to size and labeling it, you can create a tidy space that keeps your electronics in check. Then we have the old CD or DVD. Instead of discarding them, they can be transformed into coasters. By gluing felt or cork to the bottom, you can create stylish, water-resistant coasters that protect your surfaces from unsightly rings. The common dish soap, usually confined to the kitchen sink, can also be used to remove stains from clothing. A small amount of dish soap can be applied directly to a stain before washing, effectively breaking down grease and grime on fabrics. Lastly, consider the humble tin can. After being emptied, it can be repurposed as a planter for small herbs or flowers. With a bit of paint and drainage holes added, a tin can becomes a charming addition to your kitchen or patio, showcasing your green thumb. These 20 unconventional uses for everyday household items reveal the creativity and resourcefulness that can transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. By simply looking at these objects through a different lens, we can find innovative solutions to common problems, reduce waste, and infuse our daily lives with a bit of ingenuity. In a world where convenience often reigns supreme, embracing these alternative applications can lead to a more sustainable and imaginative lifestyle.